After updating to iOS 27, is your iPhone 11, 11 Pro, Pro Max suddenly not charging? You are not alone, many users experience charging issues after a major iOS update. So here are the most effective solutions to get your iPhone charging normally again. So first thing, you just have to perform a forced restart. This is one of the most effective fixes to try. So you just have to quickly press and release the volume up button once, then volume down button, and then you have to press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. So this can take up to 30 seconds, and once your phone turns back on, connect the charger and see if it starts charging normally. If it's still on charge, check the charging port. Use a flashlight to look for dust, lint, or debris that may be blocking the connection. If you find anything, carefully clean it with a soft brush or compressed air. Another thing worth trying is a power bank. If your iPhone charges with a power bank but not through the charging port, the issue is likely to the cable or power adapter. Next, you just have to check your charging settings. Open settings, then tap battery, then battery health and charging. Here, you just have to temporarily turn off optimize battery charging. Then reconnect your charger and test again. If nothing works, open settings, tap general, and tap transfer or reset iPhone. Then go for reset and select reset all settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your photos, apps, or personal data, but it can resolve software conflicts caused by the update. And if the issue started immediately after installing your iOS update, or if charging feels unusually slow, check for another software update. Apple often releases bug fix updates shortly after major iOS releases. Hopefully one of these fixes got your iPhone charging again. If not, you may want to contact Apple support or visit a nearby Apple store for further assistance. Thanks for staying tuned with Fix369 till the end.